Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the epitome of luxury, innovation, and performance in the executive sedan segment. With a legacy that spans decades, the E-Class has long been a benchmark for midsize luxury sedans, and the 2025 model elevates that standard to a whole new level. At first glance, the 2025 E-Class commands attention with its refreshed design. The front grille is wider and more aggressive, seamlessly blending into the sleek LED headlights that feature a new signature light pattern. The sculpted hood, smooth body lines, and flush door handles not only enhance the car's aesthetics but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency. Mercedes has taken a bold yet elegant approach to redesign, making the new E-Class appear both futuristic and unmistakably luxurious. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a tech-forward cabin that perfectly marries comfort with innovation. The 2025 E-Class features the brand new MBUX Superscreen, an expansive display that stretches across the dashboard, merging the instrument cluster, central infotainment, and passenger display into one seamless glass surface. The system is powered by the latest MBUX software with AI-enhanced personalization, voice control, and real-time over-the-air updates. It feels less like a car and more like a luxurious lounge on wheels. Comfort is at the heart of the E-Class experience, and Mercedes hasn't compromised one bit. The seats are upholstered in premium leather and now come with optional active ambient lighting that responds to music and driving dynamics. With improved legroom and headroom, the rear seats offer first-class comfort, making the 2025 E-Class an ideal choice for both drivers and passengers who demand the best in ride quality. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes E-Class offers a choice of powertrains, all of which blend performance with efficiency. The base E350 model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering around 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that enhances fuel economy and provides seamless power delivery. For those seeking more power, the E450 features a 3.0-liter inline-6 with EQ boost, generating an impressive 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Both variants are mated to a refined 9-speed automatic transmission, with 4 MATIC all-wheel drive available as an option. Driving the new E-Class is an experience in itself. Thanks to adaptive suspension, improved chassis dynamics, and rear axle steering, the sedan delivers a smooth, agile, and composed ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the 2025 E-Class feels incredibly stable and responsive, offering a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. Safety has always been a strong suit for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2025 E-Class continues that tradition. It comes equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including active lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, evasive steering assist, and the latest version of pre-safe technology. These systems work seamlessly to provide a safer and more confident driving experience, further solidifying the E-Class's reputation as a leader in automotive safety. Tech lovers will also appreciate the seamless smartphone integration, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The car also includes biometric authentication, gesture controls, and a high-end Burmester 4D surround sound system, making every journey immersive and enjoyable. There's even a selfie camera installed in the dashboard for video calls and social media, a nod to the digital-first era we live in. In terms of practicality, the E-Class doesn't fall short. The trunk offers ample storage space for daily needs or weekend getaways, and the interior features multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and customizable storage options. It's a luxury sedan that thinks about everyday convenience just as much as cutting-edge technology. Mercedes-Benz is also making strides in sustainability, and the 2025 E-Class reflects that with its use of recycled materials in the cabin and efficient hybrid powertrains. While not a full electric vehicle, this E-Class is a step toward a greener future without compromising the performance or luxury the brand is known for. Now, let's talk about the expected price. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is anticipated to start at around $62,000 for the base E350 model. The more powerful E454 MATIC is expected to be priced closer to $72,000. With added packages and customization, prices can easily climb into the $80,000 range, but for what you get in return, timeless luxury, state-of-the-art technology, and refined performance, it's well worth every dollar. In conclusion, The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is more than just a car, it's a statement of elegance, innovation, and performance. Whether you're a longtime fan of the brand or new to the luxury sedan market, the new E-Class offers something truly special. It redefines what we expect from a midsize luxury sedan, blending tradition with tomorrow in the most seamless way possible. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes E-Class, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive World for more exciting car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.